Hello and welcome back to day 5 of Antigravity series. By the end of this video, you will know how do we build a landing page and also how do we connect our SaaS platform with Supabase. So let's get started. Okay, so we already built the invoice gen SaaS app yesterday, and now let's build the landing page using this particular prompt. I need a clean dark theme landing page for my invoice generator app to replace the current logged out state. It should match the dashboard's UI and clearly explain what the tool does. Mention the real-time preview, PDF exports, and how it works in 3 easy steps. Include a hero section with the CTA and sign-in buttons at the top, but just keep the buttons as placeholders for now since I haven't built the login page yet. So let's wait and see what it does for our landing page. And as we can see, it has started building landing.html. So we should have some results very soon. Okay, so there is nothing that is being shown here. So I'll just click on cancel and I'll say, please go ahead and build the landing page. So you can see, it says, let me first examine the existing code base to understand the current structure and dashboard UI. It's analyzed style.css, app.js. Now it says, I have thoroughly understood, I have a thorough understanding of the existing code base. The app uses a dark theme with the color code, right? A landing.html, the dedicated landing page. Okay, so it is going to get this done. It's working on it right now. Now it has finished changing the index.html. Now it is working on style.css. So let's wait for it to finish all the changes and then we can check how the landing page has been created. So it's all ready and it is now testing it out. Let's wait and see what happens. It has opened the browser. As we saw previously, it will take time between each of these steps. So it will analyze the screen, understand what it has to do, and then take steps accordingly. Okay, it opened a new tab, google.com. Let me also show you what's happening here. So you can see here, okay, so it went to Google and searched for invoice generator landing page. Okay, it has opened some URL. Agent needs your input. Okay, so thought for 1 second, thought for 4 seconds. Agent needs permission to act on. So I'll click on allow once. And there you go. This is the landing page. Invoice Gen, professional invoice maker. Free and browser based, no install required. Create professional invoices. Okay, it's scrolling through by itself, checking out every detail that we wanted on a landing page. Let's just wait and see if it scrolls down even further. So real-time preview. Okay, it scrolled. 3 easy steps to your perfect invoice. Fill your details, watch it build live, export and send. Watch it build live. Okay. Ready to create your first invoice? Open invoice builder. Okay, so this is ready. Let's check if it has. Okay, it's still doing something. I think it's just telling us that it's ready for our review. And we can just click on accept. Okay, which means all the changes on these 3 files are actually ready. So this is the invoice, and I know it's actually come back to the screen now. So it's still doing some testing. So from landing page, it landed to invoice builder and it's probably testing it now. So you can see here, analyze landing page hero, analyze landing page features, analyze landing page steps, CTA banner overview. So it says landing page done. Sign-in buttons are disabled. Yeah, I'll click on accept all. And that's all. So I can just head back over here. I'll just go back, not here. Okay, let me just close this, and let's check where exactly is the landing page. So index.html, where will it take us? Let's quickly check. So I'm going to open the index.html page, and there you go. It is taking you to the landing page. I can click on start building your invoice, and that will take to building the invoice. Now we have still not done the sign in, but before that, let's go to Supabase. Okay, Supabase will become our database where the data will be stored, authentication, storing of invoice and everything that is needed. And today let's quickly check how do we connect our Supabase. And for that, we'll go to this 3 dots on the right top, click on MCP servers and search for Supabase. You have this, click on this. Okay, and you can see Supabase MCP server. We have all the details. Just click on install and it'll ask you for Supabase access token. Okay, and for that, what we can do is we'll have to open this one. Let me just open the browser where we have Supabase so that I can directly just use it. So I'll click on this icon and we have the Supabase account getting opened. I'm already logged in, but if you're not logged in, it'll ask you to log in. So please create your account, log in, and then click on that icon. So generate new token. So the name I'm going to give invoice Gen 1000 days, expires in, let's say, 30 days. Click on generate token. So Supabase has successfully generated the token. Okay, I'm going to copy this, come back, paste your token here, paste the token here, and click on save. So it says error exec npx execution file not found in path. Okay, so we'll refresh this. I'll try to give the token again. Click on save. If at all you encounter any problems like this, all we have to do is go back to agent and just mention here. Okay, you can see MCP error is already mentioned here. So we'll just mention I tried installing Supabase MCP server, but I am getting an error. Could you please check what's wrong? So you can see here it has started looking at the issue. Let me check your node.js/npm installation status first. Okay, so I'll give the access or I'll click on run. So it says that's the root cause. Node.js is not installed at all on your machine. It is bundled with node.js. So without it, the Supabase MCP server simply can't run. So I'll click on run again. So it's understanding what is missing and giving a solution for that, right? We just have to keep giving permissions because it is built in such a way that it cannot just run without our permissions, right? So you can see here, fix install node.js, go to nodejs.org/en/download. Okay, and then verify the install and all of this. Okay, now from here we'll have to do it. It cannot download things, at least for now. I'll go with Windows installer. And once done, I'll just open it up. So it has come here. Next, accept, next, next, next. Automatically install the necessary tools. I'll just leave it for now. Click on install. It's asking me for the permission. So I'll give the permission. So very soon this should be done. And once it is done, I'll just mention Node.js is installed. Then check it again. Let it install and then we'll see. Okay, it says successfully installed. Click on finish and hit enter. Okay, I'll click on run. I'll click on run. So it has found a particular program where exactly it is. It says found it. Here's exactly what's wrong. Installed at, but that path is missing from your system path. Okay, let's click on run. I'll click on run. So it says needs admin elevation. Let me set it. Okay, model quota reached. Your plan base line quota will refresh on 4/13/2026. So let's give it another try. I'm going to paste the Supabase token and I'll click on save. So I've reached the limit. So I am going to use Gemini 3.1 Pro Hive. Okay, and let's say please continue. As you can see, these three I cannot use now. They have some limits. I'll go with Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, it says it'll work now. So I'm going to paste my Supabase token. Click on save. Okay, I'm still getting it. So I'll refresh it. Okay, let's close this and reopen. MCP servers, Supabase. Okay, I still have the issue. So I'll go back to the agent and I'll say I still am not able to install it. Let's see if it'll understand the issue. I'll click on run. Of course, before you run it, just read the statements, and if you are not understanding what exactly it is, you can ask the agent. So you can see here the issue is that while the new path has been saved to your account settings correctly, Windows is stubborn and hasn't passed this updated path from Windows Explorer down to Antigravity yet. We can see program files node.js is in your user settings, but the terminal inside Antigravity is strictly using the old variables. To forcefully solve this so that MCP server can finally find, please restart your computer. Okay, I'll restart and get back, guys. So guys, since I had to restart the system, I'll also have to generate a new access token because I have not saved the old token somewhere. So I'll copy this and I've opened the project. I'll click on these 3 dots, go to MCP server and Supabase. Let's go to, oh, it says enabled. Let's go to configure and let's put the access token, click on save. It says installed. Okay, let me just confirm with the agent. I'll go back here and check, is my Supabase account connected? Is. Okay. Yes, your Supabase account is successfully connected. I was able to retrieve the list of your projects. Currently, you have the following projects in your account. So that's how you build your landing page and connect to Supabase. In the next video, let's see how do we get the authentication so that users can actually successfully come from landing page to the app via authentication. I hope you are enjoying this series, and if so, please do share it with all your known contacts. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.